In this video, I'll show you how to make Bluestacks 5 run faster on Windows 10 and 11. To optimize Bluestacks 5 performance on Windows 10 and 11, go ahead and adjust settings within the application. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements and enable virtualization if necessary. So first, go ahead and optimize within Bluestacks 5. Select high performance in the performance tab of Bluestacks 5 settings for better overall speed. Allocate more CPU cores and RAM to Bluestacks 5 in the Performance tab and ensure virtualization is enabled, allocating more than one core according to Bluestacks support. Adjust the frame rate in the Performance tab, potentially lowering it if your PC is slow, and lower the display resolution in the Display tab to reduce the load on your GPU. Consider using OpenGL in the Graphics tab if you are experiencing issues with lower-end PCs. Now make sure that you meet the system requirements and setup. The minimum system requirements of Bluestacks 5 is at least 4 GB of RAM and a compatible processor. So ensure your PC meets Bluestacks 5's minimum system requirements, enable virtualization in your BIOS/UEFI settings, and keep your graphics driver updated to the latest versions. Install any pending Windows updates and close unnecessary applications running in the background to free up RAM. That's basically how you can fix that issue. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.